All right, so I'm just wanting to show you really quickly how to edit these. You know, there's not really much you need to do. You can print them as is. It's just more personal preference. So the first thing that I'll do here is do something else with this clip art on here. I'm just going to delete that butterfly and then come over here to elements, and I've already searched for what I wanted for time's sake, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it on there. And if it's doing that where it won't let you click on it, it's because it's in the background. So go up here to position and then layers, and then you can find it on there and select it, and then just drag it up to the top so it's on top. I'm going to take this over here, flip it, and I'll be making it bigger, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to delete this because I want to make it all cursive. Change the orientation of that. I'm going to move these words up. Just kind of tweak it until you get it to where you like it. Tweaking it still. Sorry, I'm trying to make this. I'm doing it too. I'm doing too much for what I'm just trying to show you how to use this, but I'm sorry. I'm a perfectionist and I can't stop it. Can't stop it. Won't stop it. Okay, doke. That's too big. Anywho, you get the gist. You get the gist. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna go with that because that's how it's gonna be. All right. And so I want to write something else in this same font down at the bottom. So I'm gonna just duplicate this, drag it down there, change what it says, and then make it smaller. Kind of take this whole thing up and center it like that, and then take this one. I'm just going to put a little decoration down at the bottom, and the same one at the top. Okay, that doesn't look very good, but you know, yours will look better. So then when you're all done, you want to go over here to share, then you hit download. Just go to PDF print, and then if you have Pro, you can select CMYK, but if not, this is fine. Download, and then it'll ask you where you want to save it, and then that's that. You go access it, and then you print it out. You can email me if you have any questions. My email is right below this video. All right, thank you. Bye.